In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar events using Excel or Google Sheets. This method is going to simplify your scheduling process by allowing you to seamlessly transfer data from your spreadsheets into your Google Calendar, saving you both time and effort. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to prepare your Excel or Google Sheets file. Your data should be organized in a way that's conducive to easy export. Typically, you'll have columns set up for the event title, date, time, and any other relevant information. Make sure this is neatly arranged to avoid any hiccups down the line. Once your sheet is ready, go to the File menu in Excel or Google Sheets. This is the starting point to initiate the export process. Within the File menu, navigate to the Export option. This is a crucial step as it will prepare your data to be in the proper format for Google Calendar import. When you click on Export, you'll be given a choice of formats for your data file. Select the option to download your file as a CSV. CSV, or comma separated values, is a file format that plays nicely with Google Calendar, allowing for a smooth and straightforward data import process. Save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Now, it's time to switch gears and open Google Calendar. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the gear icon, which is typically found in the upper corner. Clicking on this will open up your settings menu. Within the settings, find and select the option labeled Import and Export. This is where the magic happens. Within the Import section, you'll have an option to upload your CSV file. Click on this section and navigate to the location on your computer where you saved your CSV file earlier. Select the file and prepare it for the next step. Here, you also have the opportunity to select which calendar you want these events to be added to. Choose your desired calendar, ensuring that these events end up exactly where you need them. After this, simply click on the Import button. Google Calendar will start processing your file and adding events. A confirmation should pop up shortly, letting you know the import was successful. If everything looks good, hit OK to finish the process. And there you have it. Your schedule from your spreadsheet is now visible in your Google Calendar. This seamless integration allows for efficient planning and organization, making it easier than ever to keep track of important dates and events. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!